This suitable temperature makes daily living warm. Warmth is the source of all life. With sedimentation thriving in development for more than 10 years, Wuhan Higher Water Heater successfully becomes a pilot enterprise in China. Wuhan Higher Water Heater grows into a high-tech enterprise with annual production capacity of 2.8 million products and output value of 2.5 billion yuan. Parallel connection of the whole process and zero-distance interaction with users. The quantity of gas water heaters ventures customization orders exceeded 0.02 million in 2019, and the intelligent upgrading marched toward the era of Industry 4.0. As for the Wuhan Higher Water Heater Interconnection Factory, the degree of automation of the whole factory reaches to 80%, and the degree of automation of the pre-process reaches to 90%. It leads the industry. Now, there are 515 employees, decreasing by 30% compared to traditional factories, while it's twice as efficient as a traditional factory. The dedication is our highest honor, and everyone is a twinkling red star of hire. Perfect works are generated from attentive manufacturing. With technology upgrade and intelligent systems, the manpower is liberated and the wisdom is retained. Wuhan Higher Water Heater carries warmth through the whole journey and will drive the warmth into each person's heart with wisdom in the future. The new intelligent production line for Higher Water Heater is efficient, accurate, and comfortable. And the automatic aerial logistics system is used for accurate release to each production link. The intelligent production unit and standard operation ensure the perfect presentation of each process. The humane work environment makes staff more focused on the work and unleash greater wisdom. The intelligence boosts Wuhan Higher Water Heater to achieve enterprise takeoff. As for the whole machine detection, Higher has to try its best from production technology to product experience. We must fight for every process to ensure the comfort of each family. As for the thinking fire, Higher water heaters use intelligent inverter gas valve, burning more fully. Walking into the warmth of the core and building a new world. Higher Water Heater has been leading the sharing platform in the field of technological innovation. And we insist on the original intention of the mission of energy conservation and environmental protection. With central control and real-time data update, every link of production is controlled. Each water heater is equipped with its own identity information from production to packaging and logistics. The whole process intelligent identification of product information and automatic warehousing display ensure seamless connection of each water heater from production source to use after sales. With convenient operation and remote control, the warmth is brought by one finger.